Hello, I'm Steve Murray, Lawrenceville's head of school, and I'm delighted to give you a glimpse into our opening weeks back on campus. Our first students began arriving September 10th, and Lawrenceville officially opened its 211th year with convocation 3 days later on the 13th. This event brings our school community together and reinforces the standards to which we hold ourselves as Laurentians. My convocation address was titled On Truth, and encouraged the community to challenge traditional simplistic narratives and to consider the multiple layers of truth that often lie beneath the surface. The message behind the Statue of Liberty, for example, seems pretty straightforward until you unpack it and look through a different lens. Seeing complexity and contradiction empowers us to see more clearly, to understand each other more fully, and I believe helps us to find trust, respect, and strength as a community. At this point, we have welcomed more than 300 Laurentians to campus, with 300 more arriving this weekend. In alignment with our Best for All agreement, students have been social distancing, wearing masks and palm readers, and doing their part to keep us all healthy. While we realize the circumstances aren't ideal, the adults in our community are invested in each and every student and are working to ensure they have opportunities to be engaged and active. We've been exploring campus and enjoying the fall weather during socially distanced walks. There have been outdoor games on the turf and golf course and epic games of socially distanced rock, paper, scissors. Backed by popular demand, we hosted the first Big Red Shuffle of the year on Saturday night, followed this week with Big Red Shuffles by form. Periwigan Jazz Club kicked off this week with multiple club nights. Meditation and yoga are in full swing. And on Sunday afternoon, I had the pleasure of umpiring a spirited game of kickball on the turf with a group of our fifth formers from the Hilton Garden Inn. The joy is palpable. There is something profoundly healing and inspiring about being together. Our work together in person is vitally important for each and for all. Our collective commitment to the community's health is more important than ever, and I thank you for adopting COVID-cautious practices and adhering to our Best for All agreement. Our robust testing program, symptom tracking app, and contact tracing protocol are all functioning as we hoped and as planned, and we are confident in our ability to solve the challenges ahead. And all of this makes us appreciate and cherish our time together on campus all the more. As the fall term unfolds, we already have many points of pride among our students. 2 fifth formers co-founded an organization called Beyond the Ballot to empower youth voters. Another fifth former is pursuing a patent for a new type of deodorant. A fourth former is ranked first in the state and 7th in the nation among high school girls cross-country runners. And several students have been named National Merit Scholar semifinalists. Our radio program, WLSR, is keeping us connected with stories on mental health and human connection. Faculty are bringing the fruits of their summer research back to the classroom, and coaches are developing innovative drills and methods to support student health and well-being. There is much on the horizon. Together, we can embrace today's challenges and emerge stronger tomorrow. Thank you for your enduring energy and optimism. Go Big Red.